Hello guys, welcome back to my channel DP Design and welcome back to the series of Formula Student. In this video, I am going to teach you how to do a proper notching of the pipe using weldments in Solidworks. Right. So the problem statement is there is improper notching while student designing a car. Whenever they are applying the pipes or frame members, they mistakes in the corners or in the triangulations like this, and this can be result in the CAE and which will give the improper results. Okay, so sometimes there will be very different triangulation here and very different triangulation over here, right? So to avoid that improper notching, how to do a proper corner treatment, that's what I'm going to teach you in this video. So let's start with this car. First, what I will do, I will just delete this what you can say members, and now I have proper sketch. I will do a one triangulation and you can try as many as you want and you can practice. And I think you can do members, weldment members on one side only. Others you can mirror. Okay, because if you do a corner treatment over here 1 2 3 and this will be 3 to 1, so there will be difference and there will be improper weight. So it can be result in wrong FEA results, right? So let's just begin with the what you can say weldments. Okay, tabs, weldment on, weldment, structural member. Okay, and see, I will take a round section. Where is a pipe? What is the size? 0.5. I will take a lace. I have not made any profile for this, so I am taking the standard pipes over here. Okay, let's just not select these lines because I want to select this triangulation, which is very complex, and to solve that we will have a better fun. 2 3. Okay, 3 is not there, so what you can do, you can just do new group. Okay, any other remains? Okay, not. Now if I select OK, there is improper notching, as you can see. So to avoid that, what you can do, you can just go to the edit, and we have total 3 groups, right? First group is contained 2 pipes over here. Second group contains these 2 pipes, and third group contains only 1 pipe, right? So I think this pipe is notched properly, I think, and let's work on the group 1. So what you can do, you can just select this, or you can just direct go to this option. Okay, but what I suggest, you can just ping this on, and then you can go to the trim orders. Okay, so in this trim orders, there is a 3 option for the group 1, group 2 and group 3. There are different trim orders are there. So you can just select the trim order 1 first. Let's try out with this and see it is proper or not. 2 and 3. First, second. Okay, this is not proper. I think it is proper. Let's just click it. Okay, and this notch is okay. Correcting over here. Okay, done. So as you can see, my pipes are notched properly. So that's how you can do triangulations and notching. Now I will teach you in the next video whatever notch profile you have done, how to present or how to perform this in a real life as we have done, right? So I will teach you as well using the sheet metal, and in the sheet metal you can just plot the profile and give it to AutoCAD, and then you can print it out in a 1:1 scale. Then you can cut your pipes like that. I will show you the example in the next video so you can better understand. So as you can see, this is how we can do a notch properly. There are 5 pipes are there, but there is no single interaction between them, right? So that's how you can create a proper notch. And yes, this is all for the video. If you like the video, you can like, share and subscribe. This will give us a motivation to make more detailed video, and yes, to make a new series out of that. And yes, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep learning, keep sharing.